Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion, Owen. Warm spring weather lures us outdoors like the Pied Piper. For some, it's a welcome change, while others march outside kicking and screaming. Either way, be glad, because on average, we spend 95% of our time indoors. Once outside, how about a little exercise? You can set out on a walk or bike ride, go kayaking, or dive into yard work. Yard work? Since when is raking leaves real exercise? Well, participating in gardening and yard work is like having your own outdoor gym. Gardening involves a lot of weight-bearing motion, like pushing, pulling, and digging. Turning compost and planting shrubs is essentially lifting weights. And raking leaves and grass works your back and abs like a rowing machine. If you're talking calories, a 150-pound person weeding and planting burns about 300 calories an hour. Digging and mowing, about 400 calories. Granted, there's a lot of puttering that goes on, so for gardening to count as exercise, you've got to work up a sweat. Yard work does more than burn calories. It provides physical as well as mental and spiritual therapy. So when you're feeling stressed, grab the wheelbarrow and move some stuff, or go for a fast walk. In other words, don't sit and fret, get moving. Gardening is a healthy lifestyle choice that helps on many levels. It can reduce the risk for heart disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and colon cancer, and it helps maintain a healthy weight. But when you step outside that door, don't try to take on all your chores in one day. Just like an opera singer needs to warm up her vocal cords before a performance, your body needs to loosen up too. Begin with a few warm-up stretches and bends, and remember to stretch and bend after weeding, picking up trash, or turning soil for an hour. Another trick is to alternate from time to time between movements such as standing and raking and bending and weeding, because an 8-hour weeding marathon can leave you flat on your back come Monday morning. Finally, bend from the hips, not the waist. Don't lock your knees and drink plenty of water. The cool thing about gardening, it's a lifestyle that promotes health and wellness, not just for a few weeks or months, but for a lifetime. For the UpBeet Gardener, that's UpBeet with 2 E's, I'm Marion Owen in Kodiak, Alaska.